What is the length of the boundary of the region in the xy plane consisting of all points of the form 2u minus 3w v comma v plus 4w? So all of these things go from 0 to 1. So the key thing to notice here is w is common between these two variables and u and v are not common. So first, let's just consider when u and w are, or let's consider the case where w is 0. Just for simplicity, right? We have 2u and v. So u can go from 0 to 1, and v can also go from 0 to 1. So the x coordinate can go from 0 to 2, and the y coordinate can go from 0 to 1. Whoops. So therefore, in this rectangle represents a region where just 2u comma v. Anything in here is achievable when w is 0. But clearly w is not always going to be 0. So what happens when w is 1, let's say, right? What happens? Or in general, what happens when w is not 0? How does our shape change? So the key thing here is minus 3w in the x coordinate and plus 4w in the y coordinate. So for every value of w you increase, for each unit w you increase, you go 3 left and 4 up. So if we just take this point, which is created by u and v, and then we go at the very most, if w is 1, we can go 3 left and 4 up. Something like that, right? 3 left and then 4 up. Similarly here, you can go at most 3 left and 4 up. And over here at most, we can go 3 left and 4 up. So this point, so now as we can see, all the points are here. And similarly, if we, let's say, take a look at this point, we can go 3 up, 3 left, 4 up. This point, 3 left, 4 up. This point, 3 left, 4 up. You can probably see the region that we're now, our new region. Exactly, our new region is just this green thing. So now we just find the perimeter of this region. And that's not that difficult because 3, 4, 5. This thingy will just be translated up, so that's going to be 2. This is also going to be 5. That's just going to be 1. This is going to be 5, again, by just Pythagorean theorem, right? 4 and then 3. And this thing is just going to be 2. So our perimeter is just 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5, 16. A cool problem, if you ask me. The main trick was, okay, forget about w originally, because it's common between both values. And then we form this rectangle. And then okay, what if w is not 0? Then we can go at most 3 up. Of course, if w was half, for example, then we would go to somewhere here, right, in between. But at the very most, we can go all the way here, all the way here, all the way here. So that's why our region is going to be this thingy over here, which has a perimeter of 16. Thanks for watching.